Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix location problem on Fubo. If Fubo says wrong location, home network error or content not available in your area, don't worry, follow this step. First, open the setting app on your iPhone, tap privacy and security, tap location services and turn it on. Scroll down and find Fubo and select location 2 while using the app. This helps Fubo detect your location correctly. Fubo use your home Wi-Fi to confirm your location. Make sure you are connected to your home Wi-Fi network. If you are using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi can cause location error. If you are using VPN, turn it off. VPNs can change your location and can block Fubo. After turning it off, close and reopen the Fubo app. Restart your iPhone and unplug your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This refresh your network location. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.